There are different ways one can approach toilet training. Two common approaches are intensive toilet training and schedule training. In this video, I will talk about intensive toilet training. Before you get started training your child to use the toilet independently, you must make sure that he or she is ready to learn. To find out more about what it means to be ready for toilet training, have a look at the video about readiness that's in this course. In addition to your child being ready to learn, there are some other steps to take before starting the actual process. For starters, you need to plan when you are going to actually do the training. Although the training can take place over the course of a single day, most parents often opt for a 3-day weekend so that they can spread it out over the course of those 3 days. Additionally, you should try to withhold your child's favorite liquids, as you will want them to drink more than usual when they are doing the training. Lastly, you will need some powerful reinforcers, which you should also try to withhold leading up to the training. The first goal to accomplish is to teach the child that they are supposed to eliminate into the toilet. Have them sit on the toilet with no clothes on. Have them drink and tell them they're doing a good job every few minutes. After they void, you should make a big deal out of the occasion. Everyone should be super happy and the child should receive their most favorite reinforcer. After having the reinforcer, they can have a 10-minute play break before returning to the toilet. You will know that the child has mastered this phase when they start looking down when they pee or becoming excited immediately afterwards because they know they're about to receive the reinforcer. This phase can take between 30 minutes and 2 hours. The next goal is to shape independent toileting. The first step in this process is to have the child sit, still without his clothes on, next to the toilet. If the child makes his way onto the toilet and pees, you should provide super high-level reinforcement. If the child should have an accident, have them help with the cleanup. You do not need to be mad or anything like that, but they should experience the effort involved with cleaning up the area. If for whatever reason you believe that the child is finding the cleanup process reinforcing, don't bother having them be involved. During this shaping phase, do not prompt the child to go onto the toilet. No matter how many nonverbal signs they are showing, you have to let them make the move to sit on the toilet themselves. Otherwise, you run a significant risk of having them become dependent upon you. That dependency will actually delay their learning. Even if you notice the child starting to pee, do not prompt them to sit on the toilet. Look at it this way. Children can learn a lot from their mistakes. If they have an accident, it may help them learn what to do more quickly. As the child is successful, he should move further away from the toilet and put more clothes on. For example, after mastering sitting next to the toilet with no clothes on, the child can move a few feet from the toilet and wear underwear. During this process, they will have accidents. When they do, make it a little bit easier. Move them closer to the toilet, have fewer clothes on. Once they are far from the toilet and fully dressed, they have mastered this phase. At this point in the teaching, you would then just be doing dry pants checks. To learn more about what dry pants checks are, check out our video all about that. Once your child can manage at that phase, they can be considered toilet trained. Thanks for watching. If you want to know more about toilet training, we have several other videos online. Hopefully you can find any information you're looking for.